हेलो ट्रेडर्स, वेलकम बैक टू एक्सेल आर्गो ट्रेडिंग। यस ट्रेडर्स, आज का डेट है 18/6/2025 एंड टाइम है 9:17। ऑलरेडी हमारा मार्केट ओपन हो चुका है एंड वेल ट्रेडर्स, आप और yes, you are algo trader and you want to trade automatically, everything to be done automatically with a trailing stop loss. Yes, you are in the right platform now. Well traders, this is our software. You can purchase in lifetime at rupees 4,999, and if you want to take our service for per month, and also you can take us our per month service at 9,999. Well traders, are now coming back to our software. This is how our software Excel looks, and this is a main board called dashboard. Here you have to set this parameter properly, like weekly expiry, monthly contracts, and finally you have to just put today's exact date, that is 18 June 2025, and just turn on the live and everything goes automatically. Well traders, as traders, now also we are having a trading analysis sheet. You can see here algo trade, excel algo trade analysis sheet. As traders, we have also a trading analysis sheet where you can see a time, instrument, direction, quantity, entry, exit type, positions, etc. with the points. Well traders, this is our software which we have updated, just as version 3. And as traders, if you want to purchase our software, it is on 4,999, and if you want any monthly, we can charge you a 999, that is 999. Well traders, you can see so clearly that this is our market watch. Yes traders, this is our market watch. You can see LTP going here automatically, and this is our strategies. Here is our strategies where you have to set your strategies, and if you set one strategy, everything goes automatically, everything goes changed. If one strategy is changed, all buy and sell level targets, everything is changed. We have like this 4 strategies, and we are coming back to our waiting for above and below levels. If there is any very near to our above and below levels, means it will show here as waiting for above and below levels. Okay guys, this is how our software works. I'll just show you a live demo today, and we'll just end off this session very fastly, so we'll not take too much time, and we'll just continue this. Yes guys, you can see here it is Nifty call option, and it is waiting for above and below levels, and very shortly it will take a trailing stop loss waiting for. Yes guys, you can see here already one order is placed that is waiting for trailing stop loss or target, and you can see one is executed, one stock is executed. I'll show you here in our order books. Yes, orders will get automatically fired here, and you can see exactly at 9:20 Nifty call option, strike price 24,600 is fired. What is time? It is 9:20. It is 9:20, but exactly within a second it will take trade. Okay, and it will buy and sell automatically. Okay guys, if you have to, anyhow you want to Telegram alerts also, there is a facility of Telegram alerts too. Well we'll just mark this in our chart. So today's entry was at 260. Well traders, will open the chart from here. Yes, chart is opening. Yes, this is, you can see this is a gap down market. After gap down, again you can see gap up from here, little more gap up, and what was the entry price? It is 260. Well traders, will just mark here as 260. Yes, this was where our buy level was generated, so we'll just mark here as a buy. Wow, you can see how beautifully, yes, so beautifully it is purchased, and it hit our what it is hit it is done with our target with 29 points. Wow, that is really wonderful, and you got a profit of rupees 4,470. Wow, this is really great. And you can see just it was wired on 920, and it is squared off at 922 with the profit of 4,400 plus, and you can see entry was at 260, just now have marked, and exit was at 290. That's really wonderful, guys. This is how our software works. Within 5 minutes we took one trade, and it is also closed by everything done automatically. This is how our software, beautiful software, works. Well, traders, if you want, so you can purchase our software with the description box which is there in our YouTube link. And yes, you can also have any queries, you can call us on our number. Yes guys, I think one more order is getting placed, that is Bank Nifty. I just mark here where was our, yes, I just mark here where was our exit of Nifty, that is 290. This was our exit at 290. You can see here exactly, this was our target done. Well, this is really wonderful. This was our target. Yes, this was our target done here where our Nifty took buy place, and this is where our target done within a few seconds, within a few minutes. I just show you, within 2 minutes you have profit of rupees 4,400 with 29 points. Whoever give this software with so lower number, that is for 4,999 for lifetime. And if you want if you want for just monthly plan, and we can also have a monthly plan of rupees 999. Yes guys, now Bank Nifty have taken place, that is call option 55,300. We'll just mark this, and entry was at 811. We'll just go, and this is done. The target one is done, and Nifty is done. We'll just focus on our next chart, that is Bank Nifty strike price 55,300. Yes guys, so we'll just mark this. Our buy level was generated at 811. Yes, we'll mark as here 811, and this is where our buy level was generated. Yes guys, this is where our buy level was generated, and we'll just wait and watch what happens. Better to give results like Nifty or trailing stop loss. This might be a trailing stop loss, which I see. Okay guys, we'll just wait and watch what happens. Will not just rush it, and everything goes automatically here. No need to do anything. Everything goes superbly fast and smoothly. Yes guys, we'll just wait and watch what happens. Okay. Yes, you can see one trade is closed in Nifty, and one more is waiting for trailing stop loss or target. So guys, here you can see whether there is a profit or loss, and it is waiting for up and down, that is above and below levels, or trailing stop loss. Okay guys, so we'll just see the chart. As it is almost, it's going high now, means it's going about to our levels, that is buy levels, and we are waiting for it. Yes guys, you can see now it is going for trailing stop loss. Yes, if फटाफट ये ऊपर जाएगा तो ये टारगेट हो जाएगा, ऊपर जाने के बाद नीचे आया तो ये ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस हो जाएगा, एंड हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा, ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस भी ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा. Yes guys, this is how our software works. I just want to show you a live demo how our software works. And guys, well, I'll just if two trade is done, I'll just pause here only, and if you want, so we'll wait it. Okay. Yes, ये ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस हो रहा है राइट नाउ, एंड देखेंगे हमारा टारगेट क्या था हमारा बैंक निफ्टी में, ये वाला. यस, 809 पे एंट्री हुआ था, एंड 889 टारगेट है हमारा. ये टारगेट होगा या ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस होगा, विल वेट. ओके, विल सी. 889 इधर तक जाने वाला है हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर, हमारा लेवल्स बोल रहा है ऑलमोस्ट इधर तक जाने वाला है, इधर तक. विल जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. इफ इधर से इधर तक ऊपर गया एंड इट इज गुड, इट विल टेक अ टारगेट. इफ नहीं, इधर हमारा मार्जिन लेके ऑलमोस्ट नीचे गिरा है, तो ये इधर ही ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस ले जाएगा, एंड इट विल गिव यू अ लेस अमाउंट ऑफ लॉस एंड विद अ ह्यूज प्रॉफिट. यस गाइस, सो विल जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच व्हाट हैपेंस. Yes, almost it is going upwards. इस गाइस आप देख रहे हो कैसे ऊपर जा रहा है मार्केट. Yes, you can see how our market is going up, hitting our buy level here in Bank Nifty. I think only 2 trade is enough to show you live demo in the market, and I'll just upload this very soon in YouTube. Yes, we are waiting for a trailing stop loss or target. Yes, it's going up. That's really good. We'll just wait. There are chances to hit till here, that is 889. We'll wait. Okay, this was our target here. This was our target, and we'll just watch what happens. Okay, 889 पे टारगेट है इधर. एंड देखो मार्केट कैसे ऊपर जा रहा है. ये तो प्रॉफिट पक्का हो जाएगा, नहीं तो ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस हो जाएगा, नहीं तो टारगेट आएगा. जस्ट देखना है क्या होगा आगे. ओके, यस, ये तो पक्का प्रॉफिट हो गया अब, क्योंकि हमारा ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस में एडजस्ट हो चुका है. अब फिक्स हो गया. दिस इज नाउ फिक्स्ड विद द ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस नाउ. यस गाइस, यस इट इज. Yes, if you want to see, if you're little bored to watch our video, how I talk, you just speed up this limit. Okay, आप speed कर दो ये लिमिट को और फटाफट से वीडियो एंड तक देखो. Okay, मजा आएगा. Yes guys, it is very close to our target, and we are waiting for target to done. It is really very close to our target now. Yes, it is almost very close to our target to be done, and this is really wonderful. Within a few minutes we have earned almost 4,000 rupees profit, and yes traders, you can see it is almost very near to our target. And yes, Bank Nifty to ऊपर जा रहा है, and we'll see when more, if any, it is waiting for above and below levels, not at any. Yes, it is. Wow, that is really wonderful. It is very near, very near to our target to be hit. That is Bank Nifty call option. Yes, it hit our target. Yes, that is really wonderful. It hit our target 1, and it is also going up from our target. Yes guys, you can see so clearly that is our target 1 is done, and very shortly it is going to book. Yes, I said, you know guys, our target 1 is done. So clearly it is mentioning, and you can see this is target 1 done, target 2 also done. That's really wonderful guys. I just love this. And yes, you can see this is a entry of 811 and target of 894. I hit it, you know, all time. It works superbly, and you can see this is where our, I just mentioned this as a target, not to be confused. Yes guys, this is where our buy level done, and this is where our target is done. Yes, so superbly you can see, you can almost, if after hitting our buy level, it is rocket like a target now. It is done with the target, and it also going up with target 2 also, I think. Well, it is beautiful. This is really beautiful. I just love this. And if you want to purchase, you can go with our website called www.excelargotrading.in. You can also visit our website, and you can also call us if you have any queries. There is our number in our description box. Yes, the number is 85530298884. Yes, the bank nifty target is done, the nifty target is done. Yes, you can see so clearly here. Yes, I'll just show you now. Bank nifty quantity of 70, strike price 55, 300, entry at 811, exit at 894. This is target done. Okay, with 83 points. That's really wonderful. With 83 points of profit of a 5,800 plus. That's really amazing. And you can see the status. One is entry, nifty is completed. Bank nifty entry, bank nifty is target done. Yes guys, this is how our software works. As traders, you can see so clearly our summary is showing here. Of 2 trade is done with winning rate of 100%, and total profit and loss is 10,200 plus. This is total profit and loss of just now till morning 9:20 to 9:34. Within 10 minutes you have earned off rupees 10,000 plus from our Excel software. Yes guys, you can see average per trade of 5,100 plus. That is average per trade. You have earned this much. As traders, now next I'll just show you a chart. This is how our chart looks like. As traders, this is a profit chart, and this is a chart of average profit and loss by hour, and this is a profit and loss distribution, and you can see cumulative profit and loss also. As traders, this is how our software works. Hope you liked it. If you want to see any more, you can I'll just pause here. As traders, we'll end up the session here only, and you can see just now at 10:12 bank nifty was executed at the rate of 798, and it is exit at the rate of 813, and it is a trailing stop loss with 15 points and profit of rupees 1000 plus 1000 plus. Okay, this is how our software works guys. Hope you liked it, and आपको मैं बार बार ये वीडियो नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि आई हैव लॉट ऑफ वर्क्स टू डू. मैंने हमको बहुत वीडियोस करना पड़ता है और लॉट ऑफ डेमोज देना पड़ता है और दूसरों के लिए क्वेरीज आंसर करनी पड़ती है. मैं सिर्फ क्यों why I did this, because only to show you how our live trade work, and 2-3 days में एक बार मैं कर सकती हूँ, उतना ही ज़्यादा मैं कर नहीं सकती because I have lot of works. Well traders, you can see this is how our software work with 100% profit trade and earning profit of rupees 11,000 plus, and 3 trade is done. This is a summary of our software in our trading analysis sheet. Yes guys, thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Have a nice day.